Hey Dave, I seen you were posting about the buildings. I just want to show you how to set your whole course up in here so that way if you're planning on doing a couple different buildings on it, you can build right off of your Google map. Um, I'm just going to set up what I have is the old farm, and the plot size is 1,412. So if you come up to add mesh plane and don't click on anything, you can come over here, and that's 2 meters by 2 meters. You can go ahead and type in your plot size, which mine's 1412. Hit enter. Let me shrink that back down, and I'll mouse wheel out to see the whole thing. And now I'll come over here, click on the materials property. You can click on material there. I'll just name it Google. Oop. Google, enter. Now that's the material on this. Now to put your image on, we'll come up here to shading, come over to add, texture, an image texture, color to base color. Now you'll want to open up wherever your image is. Wherever you would put your Google image. Let me go down to the old farm. I'll create up a folder, and I keep all my textures and everything that I swap back and forth from in there. There's my image. Now if I go back to layout, I gotta come up here to the viewport shading. There is my course just like you would see it in Unity. So now when I would start building, like over here, this is the clubhouse. Let me come up here, turn this on. I'll drag like the clubhouse here. I can go, well, to rotate it, I want to take and so it's in the center. I'll set origin to the 3D cursor. Then if I hit RZ, I can rotate it so it's somewhat square. Then I'll tab into it, and you can bring up the knife. The knife is just K. I'm on 3.0, and for me, K will work on, I don't know if you're on 2.91 or 9.3, but on there, if you're cutting through everything, it's, I think, KZ. On 3, it's KC, but either way, you just need to hit K, and then just click. Then if I hit A, it'll go vertical. Click again. And then hit enter. Now, you can actually, let me come back up to face select and hit the letter P and separate. And then hit A, tab. Now you have Right there's my clubhouse. I'll name that clubhouse, and then you can turn the eyeball off on it. Then I would go bring over, like this is the party barn. Here's maintenance buildings. There's another shed there. There's a bunch of different buildings. I'll cut them all out, bring them over, and then that way when I go to start building, I can build right off of them. I hope you understand that. Let me hide that, and I'll turn this back on. And then you can bring the roofs in. Well, you got the tool over here you can just click on now. And this is click and drag. And right there's a little over 16 feet. So I've got the roofs that would probably be a 15, because it goes 15 and then it'll go to, is it 16 and a half? It might go 16 and a half. I don't remember quite, but you'd have to grab the one that's closest to your width, and you can just build right off of that then to get your measurements. Oh, I hope that helped you.